ocean beach. Without fear, the boys are coming in, ignoring the 52 degrees.